Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about an important concept called bioremediation. Bioremediation is a branch of biotechnology which uses living organisms like microbes and bacteria to remove contaminants and pollutants from soil and water. These microbes convert contaminants into small amounts of water and harmless gases like carbon dioxide. It requires a combination of right temperature, nutrients and foods. The absence of these elements may prolong the cleanup of contaminants. There are two types of bioremediations. One is in situ and the other is ex situ. In situ bioremediation involves treatment of contaminated material at the site. Some of the methods are bioventing. It includes supply of air and nutrients through wells to contaminated soil to stimulate the growth of indigenous bacteria. Next, biosparaging. It includes injection of air under pressure below the water table to increase groundwater oxygen concentrations. It enhances the rate of biological degradation of contaminants by naturally occurring bacteria. And next is bioaugmentation. The microorganisms are imported to the contaminated site to enhance the degradation process. Coming to ex situ bioremediation. It involves the removal of contaminated material which is treated elsewhere other than the site. Some of the methods are landforming, bioreactors and composting. Coming to landforming. In this, contaminated soil is excavated and spread over a prepared bed and periodically tilled until pollutants are degraded. The goal is to stimulate indigenous biodegradative microorganisms and facilitate their aerobic degradation of contaminants. Next, bioreactors. It involves processing of contaminated soil material such as soil, sediment, sludge through an engineered containment system. And finally, composting. It is nature's process of recycling decomposed organic materials into a rich soil known as compost. Some of the advantages of bioremediation are it is useful for destruction of wide variety of contaminants. Also, it is less expensive and environmental friendly. Coming to disadvantages, it is limited to biodegradable compounds and not all the compounds are susceptible to rapid and complete degradation, and it takes longer time than other treatment processes. Now let us see a question based on this. In the context of solving pollution problems, what is or are the advantages of bioremediation technique? 1. It is a technique for cleaning up pollution by enhancing the same biodegradation process that occurs in nature. This is true. 2. Any contaminant with heavy metals such as cadmium and lead can be readily and completely treated by bioremediation using microorganisms. This statement is false because bioremediation takes longer time and heavy metals such as cadmium cannot be treated completely. Statement number 3. Genetic engineering can be used to create microorganisms specifically designed for bioremediation. This is true because genetically modified organisms have been created to treat oil spills. So the answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Thank you.